Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Session Nomenclature of Benzene and Benzene Derivative. Students, today now we discuss nomenclature of benzenes and namings of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are named according to the systems devised by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry IPSC. So IPSC formulas are prefix plus parent plus suffix. Prefix is a where are the substituents, and parent is how many carbon atoms, and a suffix is how what is family. It is known as a IPSC Brahmastra. Prefix plus wood root, a parent chain plus suffix. Prefix is a where are the substituents, and a parent is a how many carbon atoms, and a suffix is a what is family. It is the aromatic compounds have many common names that have been accepted by IUPAC. That is the toluene, methylbenzenes, phenols are hydroxybenzenes, anilines are aminobenzenes. So common names of the some aromatic compounds are toluene, phenols, anilines, acetophenols, cumines, and benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, benzonitrile, and orthoxylenes and styrene is known as a benzene derivative compounds. So that they given below in tables benzene derivative compounds. So now we discuss our monosubstituted benzene derivative nomenclatures. Our monosubstituted benzenes like hydrocarbons are symmetrically named with benzenes as the parents' names. So for examples are C6H5Br is the bromobenzenes and C6H5NO2 is the nitrobenzenes. So symmetrically name are the benzene as the parent names. Benzene and parents names are nitro groups connect to benzenes. So parent name is the nitro plus benzenes are nitrobenzenes, and propyl connect in C6H5 CH3 CH2 CH3. Propyl benzenes is known as a common nomenclatures of monosubstituted benzenes. Students, arynes are the alkyl substituted benzyles. If the carbon substituted or there are the arynes is named as the alkyl substituted benzenes, and is there are the name of the phenyl substituted benzenes. Carbon substituent is greater than 6 are the phenyl substituted benzene, and carbon is less than are the 6 the name of the alkyl substituted benzenes. For examples, first example as propyl benzenes are given below. Benzenes से correct with the CH3 CH2 CH3, and next example are the 2 phenyl heptane. There are examples in given below. So next aryl groups. Phenyl referred to the C6H5. It is used when a benzene ring is substituted. pH or phi can also be is placed of the C6H5. So benzene referred to C6H5CH2, and a phenyl groups present and a benzyl groups present. तो benzyl group से benzene plus convert to CH2 groups are the benzyl groups, and phenyl groups benzene benzyls refer to the C6H5CH2 are benzyls, and phenyls refer to the C6H5 is a phenyl groups. So next are the disubstituted benzenes are the relative position on a disubstituted benzene rings are ortho meta para positions. So ortho positions on the adjacent carbon atom are 1 2 disubstituted or carbon atom are ortho positions, and meta position are the separated by one carbon atom, and it is the 1 3 disubstituted carbon atom which is the meta positions, and para position are the separated by the two carbon atom, and it is the 1 4 disubstituted carbon atoms are para positions. So this example are given below in ortho meta para positions. Ortho positions are 2 chlorine is 1 2 adjacent positions and 1 2 disubstituted position. It is a dichlorobenzene, yeah, 1 2 disubstituted. And the next examples are 1 3 positions are meta substituted, 1 3 disubstituted CH3 groups are present is the meta xylenes and 1 3 disubstituted compound. And third are the para-chlorobenzyaldehydes. It is a 1,4 disubstituted and 1,4 compounds are represented. It is a para position of 1,4 disubstituted compound. Okay. Section next are the ortho, meta, and para nomenclature is the useful to describe the reactions parents. So examples are the reactions of the toluene with Br2 occurs at the para positions. So X and 2 ortho position and 2 meta position and 1 is a para positions. So CH3 methyl benzenes react with Br2 in the presence of FeBr3 convert to the para bromotoluenes, and toluene react with Br2 in the presence of FeBr3 convert to the para bromotoluenes. So these examples are given below in slides. Okay. So multi-substituted benzenes are more than two substituted are named as the follows, or choose the sequence when the substituent have the lowest possible numbers. So the list is substituted alphabetically with the hydrocarbons hydrocarbonated names at the use of the common names of the such as toluenes as the parents names, that is T and T. So examples are given below in the multi-substituted benzene compound. So first examples are two methyl groups and one bromine groups. So two 4 bromo, 1 2 dimethyl benzenes. And second examples are two chloro, 1 4 dinitrobenzenes. And third examples are 2 4 6 trinitrobenzenes, T and T. Okay, friends. So students, the use of the names such as the toluene as the parent names, the principle of the substituent is assumed to a C1 carbons is the given tables are 2,6 dichloro dibromophenols and metachloro benzoic acids. Examples are given below. So we can be it is a 2,6 dibromophenols and metachlorobenzoic acids. So it will the solve in the numerical problems in it is the IUPAC nomenclatures of benzenes. Tell whether of the following compounds are ortho, meta, para, disubstituted. First examples are ortho, second examples are para, and third examples are ortho. So naming is explained in the following. So first are meta, one positions are chlorines and third positions are methyl groups, and second numbering and calculated the suffix and prefix and parent chain convert to the product nomenclatures in IPC. So the practice problems if they give the IPC nomenclature of the following compounds are given below in nomenclature. First nomenclature are meta bromochlorobenzenes. Second nomenclature are 3-methyl butyl benzenes, and third nomenclature C are para bromoanilines, and D nomenclature is the 2,5 dichlorotoluenes, and E nomenclature is the 1-ethyl 2,4 dinitrobenzenes, and F is a 1 2 3 5 trimethyl benzenes. It is the nomenclature of benzene and benzene derivative. Okay, students. Thank you.